Recently, through my Starbucks app, I saw they had a new matcha tea coconut milk latte. I had pineapple and ginger, which didn't sound good to me. And then I also had a half-off coupon, so I decided I was going to try a matcha tea latte for the first time. I've never had matcha of any sort, and instead of the pineapple, I got vanilla, and I really liked it, so I decided I can make this at home, and I'm going to show you how I've replicated. It is so good, and it's definitely not like healthy tea, but it's delicious. So I only eat a few hours every single day. I'm an intermittent faster, and that means that everything that I have in my eating window is delicious. And let me tell you, this matcha tea latte definitely is that. I have this coconut milk that is from Aldi. I'm going to put 3 teaspoons, it says if you like it stronger, 3 teaspoons of matcha and a 1/4 cup of warm water. I'm going to use my Aero Latte frother. I have one of these linked below in my Amazon store if you want to check it out. I'm going to mix the matcha together. We're gonna pour the matcha mixture into the ice and a cup of coconut milk, and then we're gonna flavor it with Torani syrup. I'm using French vanilla. I used vanilla at Starbucks and it was delicious. I'll do 4 pumps of that, and we'll get it all assembled and make a matcha tea latte. Here's the matcha. The directions say 2 to 3 teaspoons depending on how strong you like it. I want it stronger. It's nice and blended. I can smell it. Now I'm gonna pour that on my ice. And then I'm gonna pour in about a cup of coconut milk. And then I'm gonna mix it, and then I'll add in my French vanilla and give it a final mix. I needed a bigger cup. Put it in Torani. It's so pretty, but I need to mix it. Good enough. This is so good, super simple, and way less than almost $6 at Starbucks. If you like being your own barista and making things at home, you should check out how I make my iced coffee here at home. Use my Ninja bar right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao and ciao.